Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Look at this, y'all. I'm sure it's Gemini, but he's not really an ice cream person. So he went up, he gonna show it to me, his eyes pop. But I'm like, Papa, you're not gonna eat this. And look at this. Oh, look at the cold store. Look at the bars. They got everything in audio. Papa, look, did you see this? What's up, man?
Bars.
That he get excited when he said that. And this one.
This one.
You want it?
Yeah.
But you're not gonna eat it. He's not gonna eat it, y'all. I swear he's not gonna eat it. Alright, I'm gonna get you. Oh, okay, we're gonna get this one. Get the bars instead. Get this one, okay? That one says $7.48, and I'm not trying to waste my money, to be honest, y'all. Okay? You can get the bars. I'll be surprised if he eat it, to be honest. It's 5 in that one, and it's 8 in that one, it's 4 in that one. So, Papa, get the one pancake, cause I see that you have a lot already. Just get one pack, okay? Huh? You want that one?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay. Go ahead. Take it. Ooh, how do you see that he saw that one? This is the one he usually get. This or the Eggo one. This is not even worth it, bro. See when your kids see stuff? Oh my god. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna treat him. I'm gonna let him have it. I'm gonna let him try that one because you normally get the clean one, so it's cool to try something new. Oh, I think I just made some lasagna over there just now, and I missed it. I might go over there. Come on, get your vegetables. Come on, get your vegetables. I thought it was Orion rolls. I'm like, oh, let me try this one. Because the other one I bought last time tastes bad. Oh my god, it tastes bad. I don't want to try this one. But yeah, I do want to look at it tastes way better. The Walmart brand was not working out. I don't know if it's expired or what, but it wasn't getting what it's supposed to give, okay? So I'm like, yeah, I'm not buying that again. They got a Philly cheesesteak pizza. Oh, Sam's Choice. How much is this? I don't see the price. It's like every time I don't come to Walmart, I see something new. I still haven't ate this one yet. Look at him. Using his charger and using mine. So my phone says I'm supposed to go home with a dead battery, right? The kids don't be thinking about you. It's all about them. Come on, get your french fries. Do you want fries? Huh? Papa, do you want fries?
French fries.
Alright, pick the one to get it. You're such a busy person. Which one you want? Are you gonna? Well, if you want that one? That's a small bag though. You want the big bag? It's not even worth it, to be honest, y'all. Oh my god, just check his fries. Their brand is 7 something, the big one. The Walmart brand is $6.64. Okay, which one? Which one you want? You want to try that one? Alright. You know what? The less is better. You won't get that. Because I don't want you to eat too much french fries anyway. So you want that one? That's the one you pick up? That's the one you get. It's the price for me. And I got one minute, but I'm gonna buy one because it's not a possibility that I come back and I see this for. Let me see regular price. Oh well, what am I saying? There's our Excelsior, one of them for 5 something. So, and look at this, Libby. So I'm gonna get the Walmart brand. That's what we doing. As always, use a view of the card. So, I didn't even know they had this. Whoops. Perfect on biscuits. Wow. Interesting. I never heard of that. These are the price for the Mainstays brand. And I was thinking about the vanilla, and the warm apple pie smells good too. And this one smells good. This is different. I think I'm gonna try this one. And it's only $3.96. So it's 11.5 ounce. This smells so good. I'm gonna try this. Sent to the wax cube. So your potential is endless. Okay, so go get it. Go do what you gotta do. Those candles that I just got from over there was 3 something. Oh, here they are. Hazelnut cream, ice caramel mocha. Oh, this smells good. Ice caramel mocha smells so good. Okay, I love hazelnut, so I might just switch to the hazelnut because hazelnut is my flavor when I'm drinking iced coffee. Okay, let's see this one. Salted sea spray. Oh, I'm getting this one. I'm getting this one. I was like, oh shoot, look how many cans I have. It's like I'm a candle addict or something. I'm like, what? Girl, what? Hidden Springs. Oh my god, I don't know what to do, y'all. Smells so good. Damn. Come on, what time is it? What time is it, Papa?
What?
What time is it?
2:51.
Oh crap. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm gonna get. Oh my god, this is so hard. Okay, these are the cheaper ones at the top. Look at the candle eye though. Like, it's giving. I'm loving the candle aisle. And these are the wax cubes. Alright. These are the cheap ones. These are not small enough. I mean big enough. These are 110. The other one was 2. Look at all. See? There's a difference between this one and the regular style I just picked up, because you can see they're bigger. These are so tiny. So the candle just had in my cart. I had to hook. It came down to these 2 right here. So I got the hazelnuts and I got the Hidden Springs. I got this blue one instead of the sea salt. What is it? No. Instead of this one, because the other ones smell better and stronger. And then I bought these little wax cubes. Papaya, passion, and sweet sugar lemon. Yeah, I bought that one. This one smells so good. And this one, juicy watermelon. I think I saw this online. I'm like, I need something with watermelon. So yeah, we're gonna try these.
Now fight no girl over no man, me no idiot. If me a take your man, me a keep that. You need to give it up. No girl can't see me and cause problem. Them a man clowns so me walk on them. Me no love chat, but me a want them. Tell them this a real shame on them.
Morning. Today's Saturday. What time? It's New York City, 5 in the morning. The streets are quiet. Well, not really. Down there it wasn't really quiet. Did I miss the train? I think I missed the train. Let's see. 5:17. Let me see. What is this? Oh, that's so clean. You got the. What's this? Oh, these are really stuff. I'm just watching this store that they just opened over there. Literally right outside. It's a Prime. I don't know. I think I'm gonna be nosy. I think I'm gonna be nosy and go over there afterwards and see what they got going on, because I want to see what's going on. The sun is out though, so it's, what time is it? It's probably like, I think it's like 9 something now. See the time, the time, 9:30. I had some peanuts and a banana. That's what I had today when I came in, because I'm like, yeah. But when I go home, I'm just gonna rest, before I cook. So I have to come outside and be nosy. This guy over here in the red stage is a drink. They're promoting a drink. So it's crowded with her inside. And they're giving out free drinks and hats and stuff. So that's what they're doing.
The VIP, the guy, whoever lives there.
They just gave me 2 hats and a drink. Look at female with the jacket on. They're cute. I'm still working because, like I said, this is the only camera I'm watching. So, where you at? Oh, that guy, the white guy. I just don't remember his name, so that's the first thing that gets on my mind, to be honest. Who's that? Why he look familiar? I'm trying to see who that is. He looks familiar. I'm gonna ask him. It's not white guy right here. The hat. Oh, she's a son of my hat. I'm trying to see who it is. Oh, it's Logan. Oh, that guy. Oh, it's him. Oh, snap. Let me see. What's that Logan guy? My finger! She said my finger. She said my finger.
What are you doing that now? Oh, so I wanted to sign that.
What's that?
It's like a special box they get. Oh. It's like a bottle for like 99 or something.
Oh.
How are they let me go? You got a mark out of one mark. I don't even have a mark. Shit. It has one. Okay.
I got a bottle.
Because we were taking turns between London and New York.
Oh, okay.
I was like next. And then London came on.
Oh, wow.
I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm just trying to get as many.
Thank you. She gave me more hats. Okay, I'm just gonna give you these. I'm gonna give these away.
So matches that.
Oh, I didn't even notice. So this is what she was talking about. How well now it's looking all messed up, but yeah. Down there still, y'all. Down there signing. That is camera. I'll put this down real quick. I'm gonna make sure I have this car because without this car, I'm gonna be locked the hell up. He's still signing. That's crazy. You know how long we've been down there? They got cute jackets on. Say Prime on it.
Thank you.
Oh, they're ripping the paper off the truck. So they done finished everything. Everything is finished. Just got off. I'm so cold. Like they done took everything out the store. I'm tired. I just want to go take a nap. I gotta eat first at the same time. So see y'all when
Many hours later.
So y'all, I bought this from Walmart yesterday. I put it on my thing and I bought the sheets. I took it out the package already because I just put it on last night. I was too tired to do that. So now I'm about to put it on.
In my arms, in my mind, all the time. I wanna keep you right on my side. So much I'm gonna hold you down. Make sure everything is right with you. You can never go wrong. You let me hold you down like a reference to before. I'm trying to show you the right to somebody like you should be living. Oh, baby, baby, baby.
I just came back inside. I'm about to drink some of this, not all of it, before I get ready for work. Because I need some energy. So refreshing. I'm over here in a long time. I was warm. So I'm sure they have basically the same thing every year. Okay, nothing on the ice. Why do I have it zoomed in? My bad. They're just over here cleaning the ice right now. I need to learn how to skate. Look at this view. I'll go to work. One of my Walmart packages came when I was leaving off for work. So I'm gonna open that tomorrow. I think it's my vitamins. So let's try this real quick. I wanna see if this shit work. The taste is not bad. I can't tell what it tastes like. I don't know. It's 25 calories. Hope it works. It tastes like a real energy drink though. It has the taste of an energy drink, but I can't tell what it tastes like. Whatever. So, morning y'all. Well, good afternoon. I'm making some rice. Yeah. So I bought from Shein. They bottles for my juice or smoothie. It's mostly for juicing, but they're good size. And I forgot how much I paid for them. But yeah, I needed these for my juicing.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her.
So I just made some juice. And I'm about to put in these bottles right here.
Tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style?
Y'all, it's so good to make fresh juice. Like, I need to get on this. Stop drinking them concentrate juice. I need to start doing this with my son too, honestly. But I mean, no, because he don't drink juice. He just only drink water. But I'm gonna make this for him. I know he don't like it, but listen, health is wealth, baby. I have to drink one of these first before I eat because it works better that way. Drink this 10 minutes before you eat and you're good to go. It's Friday. It's really cold out here. Good morning, y'all. Happy Friday. Today is November 17th. Yeah, and it's my birthday for now. I was gonna say when I go home. I get at work, I'm gonna have oats with banana. decided not to buy no bagel today. Yeah, I'm not buying no lunch either. I got my lunch. Same much I had yesterday. Corned beef fried rice. Yeah. Maybe today Friday, so maybe we got Popeyes after work. Or make come home and cook. Or get some Chinese. I'm thinking about it. One of them, I don't know. Oh yeah, I'm gonna see you later. I'm trying to get this train. I work at 9, so I'm trying to be late. There's nothing I hate when I come down here. The train is right there. Hate that shit. And they just be pulling off. They don't care. They don't understand. They don't have time schedule. So, but another one coming in 3 minutes. My credit card bill is due in 3 days. I'm gonna pay that shit right now because yeah, I got to work so late. Like MTA pissed me the hell off. When I was at Euclid, you said the train was coming in 3 minutes. I checked like what time I would get to West Fort. It's 8:47, and then usually I go downstairs, bro. Usually I go downstairs and catch the express, which is two stops to 42nd Bryant Park, right? Now I walk like 3 minutes to work. You know, these friggin' people had me on the train for like, oh my god, the train was so delayed. That's what J Street Metro Tech, and they switched the line to an F line, which is okay because I'm still on the train. But now it's going local. Cause I'm like, oh my god. I got to Westwood at 9:06. Then I got to go downstairs and take the express train. I get up the train at 9:12. Like, bro, I was so irritated, man. I hate when MTA do that shit. Okay, somebody got sick at Chambers Street. That's why they had to switch up to the F line. Meaning the other F line is across the platform from the A train. And I'm like, how this gonna work? There's 2 F lines running, whatever. But we pulled off first. But I was just so irritated. Like I really hate when I'm trying to be early and I be late. Like that shit irritate my soul. I hate that. Me that bad, like bad. Sure. And every minute I thought, there's a train in front of you, blah blah blah. Every minute I stop. Actually, it's a credit card. I like to pay it early. No, don't cancel no payment. Just take it and leave me alone. I'm about to transfer $300 in my savings. That's what I do. Every time I get a paycheck, I try to transfer some money in my savings because baby, that's a smart thing to do. Anything could happen. What the hell? Yo, I swear, this is the second time this person texts me the USPS link. Nigga, somebody trying to get into my phone. I have orders coming today from Shein and Walmart, but they already text me and say it's coming today. So I don't know what. Shein is so addictive. Like, oh my god, who's the owner of this place? Like, I really want to talk to that person. Like, why are you trying to take all my money? Why are you trying to take all my money? Like, you crazy? I brought my pockets. No. One thing about Gemini's, baby, we could talk. That's something we gotta admit and accept. That we talk a lot. This is what 5 o'clock on a Friday looks like, y'all. I'm gonna go to school. Because why is it dark? Yeah, but I'm not even hungry anymore. Like, I had oatmeal and I had rice for lunch. So I'm not even hungry. But I'm cooking either. The weather is nice. It's not cold, it's just nice. I'm on this train, bro. I should go to Bryant Park. See what are you doing? I'm gonna go home. I'm tired, y'all. I can't. They're doing the same thing they're doing over there. They're probably skating or whatever right now. Should I go? It's so crowded out here. I can't let other people. I'm turning back. I'm sorry, y'all. I can't do this. Woo! I'm tired. I don't want to be around like damn people. You still love people? There's a lot of people over there. Yeah, wow. I just came off the train and I went in the bank real quick because I'm hungry. I think there's a Target right here. I'm about to stop and get something to eat. I really want some Popeyes. I don't see no Popeyes right where I'm at. Oh, they got Shake Shack right there. Ooh, they get some Shake Shack. I haven't had that in so long. I'm not trying to be late, but I'm like 5 stops on the bus. Oh, this is like Greek food right here. Target. Is that on Target? I thought I should go and Target and get a salad real quick. Let's go on. Let's real quick just right here. Let's get 2 salads. I haven't had salads in a while. Bro, the way it's crowded, it's so crowded in here. I'm not trying to be late. I'm not lying. What's the time? Oh, I'm about to go get now because I really want some Popeyes. The 3rd Avenue is right here, but look, I looked it up and says the Popeyes on 3rd Avenue. I'm trying to see how far it is. So, we're down here. A bus is coming in a few minutes. See over there, they got Chick-fil-A, but I don't have time. My bus coming right now. I'm so hungry. Oh my god. It's Harlem. I see the bus down here. Wait. Oh. Come on. Oh, nigga. That cost you. Oh. I just got to work. I did my little training. Oh, look at this. I'm getting some Chinese food. I was gonna get some Popeyes, but I have to walk 10 blocks. That's where I'm at right now. That's in 10 and East 99. I'm not walking 10 blocks all the way down there. You crazy? So we're gonna set up for this Chinese food right here. Hopefully it tastes good. So this is barbecue sauce. Looks so different from the one in Brooklyn and Queens. It's like darker. I'm looking at actual barbecue sauce. But let me go tear this up because now. Yeah. Stop the girl. Hang it up. Actual hill. Oh, my side is over there. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, he told me he gave me an extra piece of chicken. So that's good. Oh, it's $7.75 because in Brooklyn it's $8. I'm like, let me try. I never had Chinese food from Harlem, so it's gonna be my first time eating this. Oh, this one's better than the one next door. I hope it tastes good. Look at that. That looks so good. For real. The rice is more yellow than the rice in Brooklyn.
More yellow?
Yeah.
How many stars does it have? Reviews.
Oh, I don't even remember. I don't know. I feel like I prefer the other barbecue sauce.
If it's 4 and up, it's gonna the Chinese food is gonna be good.
That's good. I'm like, damn, he asked me for more, I'm like, shit. I'm like,
But Brooklyn train is more complicated than Manhattan trains.
no, it's not.
Yes,
No, it's not. No, it's not. Why you say that? No, it's not.
because when I went to Brooklyn like 2 times, the train system sucks.
That's why you're not
You ended
used
up
to it.
to almost past 1 a.m. And they sent me to Brooklyn. I get a taxi. I have to get a taxi because the train is not gonna come by in maybe in 40-something minutes. And it's a weekend.
Well, you might be right
It's
about that.
nighttime also.
It can be outside that late. The train takes forever. But I think it's only in Brooklyn. I think it's everywhere.
No. It's easy. The train in Manhattan is much easier to navigate than
The fort?
not the J.
This is different. I was just doing.
It's good.
It's really good. I should give him a 5.
Oh my goodness, that's a lot.
Maybe because I'm hungry.
So it is true.
Maybe because I'm hungry. I don't know, but it's 25 cents less than Brooklyn.
25 cents less than Brooklyn.
25 cents.
Right here, this order.
Yeah, and that's what you see how much they get. That's a
It's in
lot.
Manhattan.
$7.75. Brooklyn is $8.
Why?
I don't know. I know that shit used to be like $4 or $5. I think when COVID started, everything, the prices were up. But when it's $8, I'm like, damn. $8, that's crazy. But this is worth it. And he gave me extra one. I think he knew it was good. I think he knew I would like it, that's why.
You a new one, right? Like a new customer.
Yeah, but I'll definitely go back. I wanted Popeyes at 10 blocks. I'm like, hell no. I'm not walking that far. That's too far. It's crispy. And I didn't even tell him to fry crispy. In Brooklyn, you gotta tell him to fry crispy. Crispy. I can't say the word. Crispy. And I eat all this. The tip, all this.
I cannot eat it when I'm here because I have to eat it fast.
Oh.
I don't eat that part anymore. When I eat Chinese food in here, I have to eat fast.
These are the packages. I have to scan and put it to the computer. Hello. You feel it? Admire the nice like them.
The next day.
Yellow trees. It is so pretty. This tree right here. Colors for me, y'all. All colors. It's cute. Like on my end. It's Sunday, y'all. I'm just loving these trees. But I want to go do laundry. I have to go pick it up right now. But I'm a little under the weather. So I need to get inside and cook my soup. I cannot wait to cook my soup. I haven't cooked soup in so long. Some chicken block soup. Yeah, I have to go get some groceries up the block. My market. At the market. Ooh, that's a nice little floor. Very nice. This, got everything. If I put enough chicken in there, got this chicken box soup, and sometimes sticky butter, because we need to go take this whole pan here now. I'm gonna feel better.
2 days later.
Hey y'all. Good morning. I'm in the bazaar. And I'm just getting up some. These, they have these on sale again for $2.99. I'm picking up like 3 of them. And this, I see on sale over here for $2.99. And it's been a while. Oh, so I'm gonna do some like another this one. Oh, that's you guys? Yeah. I have this on sale, so but it is 2 days before Thanksgiving, by the way. Not gonna be shopping now. I'm gonna be cooking. I'm going to come over here for, I don't know, a seasoning and a tea bag. I'm going to have no tea bag. That's what I really come over here for. You see this one? Later.
Where is it? This?
And when I say a sachet, when I like sachet, you want a tea bag, a sachet. And this is not product of Jamaica. Okay? Product of China. I don't want that. This one now is product of Jamaica. So I'm sure I'm going to do it. Even though that one's for Grace. Yeah, this one's too for Grace, but what's the product? Where is it from? Okay. I don't know $1 more than this one. I'm going to get this one. Alright, so I'm going to get this one. We need ginger lemon and peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is my favorite. I'm trying to go with ginger lemon. So, back up yourself. I buy 2 big shifts of kimchi because a long time I don't eat them. And peas, is that in the line? You can't believe peas. Yeah. You can't find irregular peas. You can't peas. I just want to see one of stuff. Like the Ghana one. Just do something. I'm not cheap, but I don't want to bust up too much. What do you know? Let me get carbonic soap. I'm going to try it. I've tried it before, so hopefully it's good. It's $1. And this pepper for 2 before, so that's it. That's about it. Not going to be something like this. Yeah? In a pack. Of course, a 2 days before Thanksgiving, so in a pack. And it's a tea. I don't know what this tastes. I don't know. Nice to pour me like. I don't know. I just found them. This is before. Let me get them. Let me get them. Get the last, let me see. Please keep it on. Look at this one. This is darker one. This is 6. 5. Okay. Wait, why is it so short? I don't like how you look. Hold on. So I think I'm going to do this for the price. These are more red, even though they're small. They're more red than the guava one. I don't like how the guava one looking. Is this how I always look? Why am I looking at it like it's different? Is that how I always look? Oh, I don't know what to do. Stop. I think this is the one I used last time. So this is red. I can't believe this for $4 I'm sick. I've been sick for the past since Saturday. I've been sick. Like I haven't started feeling things. That's why I went to work. But I didn't go to work Sunday, and then Monday I was getting better. And then today I feel way better than Saturday. So I forgot the ketchup because I don't need so much ketchup. So I forgot to go for them. I think ketchup is because Dollar Tree can ketchup, yeah, man. You can't bother. Like, I'm not about to spend. I don't really use ketchup like that, to be honest. So I'm about to eat one of these crunchies, these snacks stuff, and you ginger beer because if that's not something else, how about foodies? Oh, I'm going to go home and blow my nose out. We all came to work and they have some food, some raisin canes, the bread, and eat one right now. Mashed potato, lamb, and rice. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna try it.
Hey y'all. Today is Thanksgiving and it's a couple minutes to 10 right now. So I'm getting ready to go to PA. Spend Thanksgiving with my papa. So this is the hair I'm wearing after I ironed it last night. Like I went to bed like 2 something this morning because I had slept during the day yesterday, so that's fine. This is the wig that I washed in the previous vlog and that's why I ironed it. But these flyaways is oh my god, I'm gonna have to try to fix that. But I'm here to do a little unboxing. We're gonna open a few packages before we leave. I have vitamins, apple cider vinegar gummies. I'm gonna take some right now before I leave, and the hair and skin and nail the soft gels. Spring Valley, and I got a mount. I'm trying to mount my TV to the wall because I need more space in my dresser for stuff that I bought. Like I bought a few fragrances and some of the stuff from Shein. I'm not gonna take it out of course, because of course I should know what a TV mount look like. The reason why I'm doing this video because I need the spray and it's in this package. So So we're gonna open this real quick. And I also have a Shein package to do, a Shein unboxing to do, but I'm gonna do it on Saturday. I don't have time to do that right now. Okay, so I bought the multivitamin Equate. And here's the spray that this is what I came for. This is what I came for. It got to be spray that I'm about to use right now. And I bought a new toothbrush. It's a vibrating one. So I could get in the back of my teeth. So this is the Colgate one. Charcoal, charbon. It's soft bristles. I see that I use battery. So I'm gonna have to get some batteries. 360. See? Hopefully this works. Just came to the Chinese store. I found some fries. So it's $3.50. A small oil fries, y'all. Look at that. That's crazy. Look at this. $9. Yeah, they're doing too much. I'm gonna try to remember saying no. If you the peas. I'm gonna swap. I'm gonna have to buy peas. Sure. Number one. I get yeah, barbecue sauce and ketchup.
Barbecue?
Yeah, and ketchup.
Barbecue 7%?
Yeah.
75.
Yeah.
75.
Barbecue sauce and ketchup on the fries.
Yeah, the barbecue sauce 75 cents more.
75 cents more?
Yeah. The ketchup free.
Okay, here's the ketchup.
Ketchup, right?
And some duck sauce, please.
Duck sauce?
Yeah. Oh, okay. It's been a while since I buy that. So I like it. Okay, that's good. I haven't seen it much. A fork and duck sauce, please, and napkins. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll send more to that. I'm looking over here. Let me get out of here. I don't know. Maybe because it's been a while I haven't never buy that, but 75 cents more for barbecue sauce? They don't do that in Brooklyn. No, they don't do that in Brooklyn. That's crazy. I was, whatever. What McDonald's guy right here? Frozen Frito. That shit looks scary. It looks so scary. I just came out the van though. I'm about to go to, not Walmart, but Giant, because Walmart is closed. Walmart be forever closed on Thanksgiving, so I'm gonna go up there real quick and then go back to money. Look at this one. I didn't see this yesterday, but it's Friday. Kimani going to Walmart. So I'll leave tomorrow. Let's get it over with. It's like after 4 right now. And it's freezing. It's like 40 degrees. But their 40 degrees is not like New York 40 degrees. So like, listen. It's warm. Look at Kimani. I hear what it's talking. If I knew, I would have put the other jacket on because, child, it is too cold. And it's crazy. The way I'm feeling cold right now, well, I'm not thinking about ice cream. Like, what's wrong with me? But I'm not gonna get that though. I'm not. Maybe. Just give me that Burger King. Listen, this weather feeling like 30 degrees in New York. Look how cold it is. They got different flavors. I didn't even know they got different flavors of these drinks. I haven't seen the egg that I usually get, so I'm not going to get this one. I don't think they sell them more. It's not good. Is these the same ones? I went to the price. Is this one? it was Friday, you know, like Black Friday thing. I feel like it's not really packed in here at all. So people, look at these cute pillows for $5. They feel so nice. These are the only colors I see though. Oh, I think we got a green one in the bottom. Fine. Good morning. You never see me. Hey, where you going? Don't leave me. Leave the Uber. Waiting for the van to go back to Reside. My bag. Right here. It's like 3:30 something right now, so